students is that one of the most important parts of data science is Python. Okay, Python is very, very important because all of the data analysis that you're doing right now, okay, whatever is happening in the industry, most of 90% of the time they will use Python for all data analysis work. Okay, in this program, in our current program, in which the data science program, we will be teaching you Python from scratch, from ABCD. No coding background is required. From scratch, we will teach you Python. Okay, it's a very easy language, right? Lot of people from other non-technical background like commerce, arts, they have also done our course. They have also successfully learned it and they have also got jobs. Okay, so please don't be afraid that in this course we are going to learn about Python. Will I be I'm from a non-coding background, will I be able to learn? 100% you will be able to learn. Okay, today one of the most important things is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is built using Python. So if you learn about something which is the future, what is the future? AI is the future. Now AI was built using Python. If you are learning Python, you are you are future proofing your career. You want a job, you also want a job after 15 years, after 10 years, after 20 years. You want to be in job, right? How will you be future secure job? How will you be in a future secure route? If you learn about technologies which they use in future in building future tools, then your career will be future secure, right? Python is one such thing. You will be learning what Python, and once you gain experience, you can learn more about AI, and you will be more, and your career will be future secure. Okay, that's why Python is very important, and you will be learning that in this program. Okay. Now, one of the things most of the students they'll ask me, sir, I want to be. What is the difference between business analyst and a data analyst? Right? In this particular course, if you do this particular course, you can become a business analyst also, data analyst also. What the main difference, students, is coding. Coding. A data analyst does the coding work. Okay. Business analyst, they will not do coding. Okay, sir, in Power BI, we are doing DAX coding. No, sir. Sir, in Power BI, we are doing M language, little bit coding we are doing. No, sir. In Power Query. No, no, no. That is not called as actual coding. That is very little coding. Okay. In data analyst, when you're writing machine learning code, that is called as actual coding. 100 lines of code. Okay, 150 line of code, 110 lines of code. Okay, don't get scared. This is very easy. Okay, that time we call as data analyst. If you're doing if you're doing analysis of data, okay, but you're not doing coding, then you're called a business analyst. Okay, if you're doing coding, if you learn Python, if you do machine learning, then you're a data analyst. Sir, who has better salary, sir? Data analyst. Who has more secure career? Data analyst. The more tougher your job is, okay, the more technical your job is, the more technical tools you know, the more secure you are. If it is very tough to replace you, okay, that means you are secure. If your job anyone can do easily, that means they will easily replace you. Your salary will also be less. The harder your job is, the more the salary, the more secure you are. Okay, and we are going to learn data analyst. Sir, I am not able to get very, I have done the course, but I want to start with business analyst. Can I later on become a data analyst? Yes, you can learn everything from our course. Sir, I'm not so confident with machine learning, sir. I've learned all this, I'm very confident. I want to start with Power BI. I want to become a Power BI developer. Later on I will become a data analyst. Yes, you can do that. But since you can do that because you know all the knowledge, you have machine learning knowledge, slowly you will become confident in this, and then you will move to this, you will become confident in this, and then you'll become a data analyst. That also can be done. Most of the students, that's what they do. They'll start with something easy, then they'll move towards the something hard, because we will teach everything: Python, machine learning, statistics, Power BI, AWS, cloud, SQL, everything we are teaching. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Sir, what are the career options, sir? Once I do this course, sir, you're telling me to do it. What are the career options? You can become business analyst, Power BI developer, data analyst, data scientist. After 2 to 3 years of experience, you can become a data scientist. Okay, sir, I have done machine learning. I really love machine learning, sir. Become a machine learning engineer. This is the highest paid starting job, and one of the highest salaries you get in machine learning engineer. One of the highest salaries. Okay, so can I become a database engineer? Yes, we are going to teach you SQL. If you become master in SQL, you can become a database engineer, data architect, head of data. Okay, after 5 to 10 years, you can become data architect. You can open your own company. You can manage an entire company's data. You can become a data architect. Everything you will, from A to Z, everything you can manage everything. And this is one of the highest paid salaries. Please go to online and you can check in crores. This data architect, their salaries are in crores. In India also, they charge in crores, these salaries. Okay. Sir, what are the companies that are hiring for data science? Every company hires for data science. When a Maruti Suzuki company, which is a car construction company, why do they need a dashboard? They want to know how many cars are we manufacturing, from where are the parts coming, what is the sales, what is the profit, right? Everything they want to know. Every company wants to know how their performance is. When you want to evaluate performance, you will build a dashboard. How many cars are getting manufactured every second, every minute, every month. Okay, they will keep checking whether it is high, whether it is low. Okay, Swiggy, how many orders are we getting per month from this particular company, from this particular area, south area? How many orders are we getting from north area? How many orders are we getting? What is the problem? How will they get to know? They will see a dashboard and they will get to know. Every company, go to online and check. Every single company, e-commerce company, tech company, e-commerce company, service company, Swiggy, every single company has data science roles. Now itself, go and check. If every company needs a data science person, that means imagine how much opportunity you have. Once you do this, so much, every single company can hire you. You can jump to any company. What the opportunities is so high. Okay. Even finance company, Jupiter. I am currently working in finance company, guys, and I make dashboards, right? So every single company needs data science people. Next, highest paid department in the present time and the future. Highest paid, everyone. Why are we working? We are working for payment. Do you want to? Everyone is doing job. Okay. Do you want to do a job in which the salary level in the market is low, or do you want to do a job in which the salary level in the market is high? You want to do high. Currently, market is moving towards what? AI, right? Currently, market is moving towards AI, data science, okay? Data analysis. All these things, they are moving. Machine learning engineer, deep learning engineer, artificial intelligence. These all are connected to Python. Sir, today I'm starting, sir. How will I get into this field? Once you get into this field, get an experience, get confidence, and after 2 to 3 years, move into these fields, and you will get the highest salaries. right? Right? Once upon a time, certain people were used to get the highest salaries. What, who decides the salary? Market decides the salary. Currently, market is moving towards AI, data analysis, right? All this, I want to understand data, dashboards, dashboard development. That's why currently market is paying very high salaries for all of this. All of the artificial intelligence tools, a large language model, chat gpt, gemini, copilot, all have been developed using python, right? So you also try to learn python, no? You also try to this thing, work in this technology, that will be efficient for you. Okay. Highest paid department, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, all are under data science. Okay. Now let us understand what is the course content, what you are going to learn here, what we are going to teach here. Okay. So first things we are going to start with first thing what we are going to start with is python. Okay, from scratch we are going to teach you everything from scratch. Second, statistics we are going to teach you, basic statistics, mean, median, mode. Then we are going to teach you advanced statistics, regression, correlation, right? KNN algorithm, right? This thing, lot of things, lot of advanced things are going to come. Data mining. Data mining means basic data, exploratory data analysis is called as data mining. Why do we do exploratory data analysis? We do exploratory data analysis so that while building something for the user, we should know what we are doing. We should understand the data. That's why basic data mining is done. Predictive modeling, right? You can do predictions. Sir, I have analyzed the data. Next 5 months, what is going to be the sales? I can do the prediction. You can do the predictions using advanced my Python machine learning algorithms. Okay. We are going to teach machine learning. Then time series forecasting. Stock related data is called as time series forecasting. Okay. We are going to learn Power BI. We are going to learn proper Power BI, advanced things, right? Not just making charts. We are going to learn about how to use DAX, right? What is the M language? What is Power BI service? How to do schedule refresh? How to do auto refresh, right? How to use drill through? How to use like many things. Drill down, drill up, row level security. Lot of things are there which are going to be asked in the interviews. We are going to cover everything. Okay. Then we are going to cover SQL. Then finally we'll do a project, capstone project. Okay. What are the skills? Sir, we are going to learn all this. What are the basic skills? So what does skill means? What are the what do we understand by skills? What are we going to learn? Okay. We are going to learn exploratory data analysis. Okay. Data structure, identifying trends, detecting anomalies, right? We are going to learn these libraries, pandas, seaborn, matplotlib. If these things are present in your resume, I have done, like, I'll tell you how I will, once you're done with the course, how it will be. Sales analysis. Okay. Uh, libraries, library, okay, Python library. Okay. You will write pandas, seaborn. If you write like this, okay, if a resume, if a recruiter checks this, no, panda, seaborn, matplotlib, and he has done sale analysis project, he has done this project, he has done this project, these are the libraries he have used, then the chances of you getting recruited is very high. You should write these things in your resume. Then the chances, suppose you are doing Power BI and you also write Python and you have done this thing, the chances of you getting recruited is very high, because you know Power BI also, you know basics of Python. Most of the people today who are getting Power BI developer jobs, people are looking for basic Python knowledge, not advanced, basic Python knowledge they're looking. Here we will teach you advanced level. But at least since you know advanced level Python plus you know Power BI, chances of you getting recruited is very high. You will be like an expert level in terms of all the people they are recruiting. You will be at an expert level. Okay. Then we will learn how to make charts. Different types of chart, line chart, scatter, heat map, correlation plot, regression line, right? We will use these library, matplotlib, seaborn, where we will use in Python. Okay. Next thing, statistical concepts, basic statistics, mean, median, mode, range, IQR, interquartile range, standard deviation. What is variance, correlation, causation? Sir, why this is important? They may ask all this in the interview. They will ask all these things in the interview. Sir, what is hypothesis testing? T-test, chi-square test. Sir, these things are used in machine learning and Python. They might ask you this in the interview. We will cover this in the program. Okay. Advanced statistical things, ANOVA, analysis of variance, exploratory data analysis part 2, principal component analysis, dimensional reduction. Okay. In data mining, all these things, right? Artificial neural networks, model performance, clustering, hierarchical clustering, non-hierarchical clustering, right? Predictive learning. We do predictive learning using linear regression, logistic regression. Okay. Machine learning, KNN, naive Bayes, ensemble techniques. How to handle unbalanced and missing values. Text mining, model validation. Okay. These are some of the subtopics that we are going to cover. Okay. Under each module. Okay. Time series forecasting. How to deal with time series data, stock data. Right. What is trend? What is seasonality? Some of the common questions that come in the interview. Okay. We are going to cover that. Then we'll do SQL and then a capstone project. Sir, what are the tools that are going to be covered? SQL, Python, Power BI, Excel, ChatGPT. Sir, ChatGPT also. Sir, what are we going to learn about ChatGPT? How to use ChatGPT to do coding. Everyone has started using ChatGPT for coding, for learning, for code development, for correction. How if there is something wrong in my code, what do I need to ask ChatGPT? How do I need to ask ChatGPT? How to work with AI? You should know how to work with AI. ChatGPT is AI, artificially intelligent. How to work with AI for Power BI, for Python, for Excel, for SQL. We will teach. This will be basic course, not a very advanced course. How to write, how to work with ChatGPT. Okay. Sir, what kind of projects we are going to do, sir? These projects will come in your resume. These projects will come in your resume. Healthcare project, finance project, marketing project, technology project, e-commerce, anything. Sir, we can do healthcare, finance, marketing. Yes, you can become a data analyst and go and work in healthcare industry, because healthcare industry also need how many patients came, how many patient went, which room they belong to, all this kind of data they want to see. You can develop a dashboard for healthcare. You can develop for, we will give you exposure of multiple domains, multiple projects, multiple data sets. So you will get confidence, right? Multiple different type of projects we will do. Healthcare data, finance data, marketing data, any kind of data you can do analysis, because the fundamentals are the same. And that fundamentals is statistics. Okay. Sir, what is the step-by-step process for doing a project, sir? First, we collect the data. Okay. Then we have to clean it. Then we have to do exploratory data analysis. Exploratory data analysis is for the data analyst, not for the user. Exploratory data analysis, why do we do, sir? Sir, we have to understand as a data analyst, you yourself has to understand what data what is the data, how it is it high, is it low, there is a lot of variance, there is a lot of standard deviation, right? A lot of missing values are there. That's why we do exploratory data analysis, to understand what is there in the data set. This is for the data analyst. For you should first understand what is there in the data. Okay, then we will do modeling. Once we do the analysis, we understand the data, then we will do modeling, machine learning. We will evaluate the model and then we will communicate it. This is the main reason why you get the payment. This is the main reason why you get paid, based on your communication and visualization. Okay, what are you communicating? What are the actions that you are recommending to the business owner? That is the basis on which you get payment. For this, you are not getting payment. For this part, for communication, what you should, sir, I have analyzed the data. Sir, we have to buy 50 more laptops. Sir, we have to buy 20 more laptops. Sir, in from Jan to October, we don't have any sales. Sir, let us not keep any stock. Then we will reduce the warehouse cost. These kind of recommendations, okay, and making a visualization based on which your CEO is taking the decisions. You don't take decision. At least if your CEO is able to take decision, that is the basis on which you get payment. Okay, but these steps are important. Based, if you do these steps, then only you will be able to do this. Okay, next. Okay, how do we do the course? How do we do the course? We will have one small test per week. Okay, every tool, SQL, Excel, right? Everything you have to submit one project. Okay, one project you have to do. We will do assessment of the project. And then once you complete everything, we will give you a certification from KVR side that you have completed all these tools, you have completed all these projects, right? Based on the project, the quality of your projects, you will get a grading also. Okay. So standard time, students, it takes about 4 months. Okay, it will take about 4 months of time. Sometimes it will become 4.4 months, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. But yes, around 4 months, your course will get completed. Sometimes little festivals are there, lot of leaves, lot of some situation happens. Okay, I am also working and I am also teaching. Sometimes office work, right? It can be a little bit more. So I will tell 1 or 2 days, let's stop. Okay, you submit your project, do this learning, right? So it will extend little bit only, but in 4 months you will be able to complete the course. Okay, next. Yeah, so now we are done with the demo. If you have any questions, right, you can ask me, Pavitra, right, Shiva, Kiran. If you have any questions, sir, about the course, right, about the opportunities, you can ask me. Shiva, one more thing I was just wanted to share. So when you go for a Power BI developer interview, right, they'll ask you Power BI developer questions. They may ask you some basic SQL questions as well, right? They may ask you SQL questions, right? Plus, if you learn about Python, it will be a very added advantage. You will be like among people getting recruited, you will become like a extra advantage, right? So you can ask for a better salary. You will be more confident, right? So these things are there, added advantage. Kiran, Pavitra,
Yes, sir.
you were able to understand everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Pavitra, what
Yes,
about
sir.
you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Shiva, you have any doubts? Anything you want to ask? Shiva. Okay. Vidyasagar, sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir. We're done with the demo.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. So, guys, if you're interested, if there is any questions, okay, you can please connect with Vidyasagar, sir. Okay, the details are mentioned here. You can take a screenshot, or you can just connect with, or you can just Google KVR TechMinds. You will be able to get the contact details. Okay, and if there is anything, any mentoring, any kind of career related questions, anything you want to ask, okay, you can connect with Vidyasagar sir. And if once you join, right, i'll I'll help you with your career or everything, resume, interview questions, right? We Everything will be covered. Okay. Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Pavitra.